Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Guys, we are looking at a tracking unit, a GPS tracking unit that actually tracks in real time. This unit is made by Land, Air, and Sea, and this is going to be the SpaceHawk unit. Now, the reason I like this unit is it is a fully magnet unit. Let me show you how strong this magnet is. I mean, it is not coming off. They actually did tests with this in the Arizona desert. And I believe it was 20 to 27 different tests, and they did not lose a single one of the tracking units. It's an extremely strong magnet. That I love. I also love the fact that it is all black so that it's easily concealed if I'm putting it up underneath a car or car frame or anything like that, and I do not want it to be concealed, or if I'm putting it in, say, a toolbox, or I'm putting it on a tractor. Now, I will tell you there are 3 lights that light up on this. Now, when you first plug it in and you charge it and you get everything set up, you're going to have an app. You go to the app. That's how you help, that's how you track everything. You're going to notice that you probably only have 2 lights in the very beginning. So what you need to do is you need to walk around outside or take it out in the car and drive around for 10 minutes. And then you'll see that 3rd light come on. And now it is fully operational. Now those lights, the reason I brought that up is I was talking about it being concealed. You can go into your app and you can turn the lights off so it doesn't show up, so that people aren't going to see it right away and try to remove it thinking or realizing they're being tracked. Now, another thing they do that I like is to turn it on and off. It has a little bitty hole here on the side, and they have the little on-off thing there telling you that that's where you turn it on and off, but you can't just do it with your fingers. You have to use a little supplied pin that they are going to give you, and you place it in there and you will turn this on or off. Now, this actually works off of a built-in SIM card. Now, you don't have to go buy the SIM card. It already has it in here. And this SIM card will work in 150 different countries. Actually, I should say over 150 different countries, including the US, Canada, and Mexico. So, no matter where you're at, pretty much you're going to be able to use this. So I do like that. It's very universal. Now, a couple of the other things I like is it's very small in size. It's less than 2 inches. It's not extremely heavy, but it does have that strong magnet, so it's not going to fall off anywhere. You're going to be able to put this in a glove box. You're going to be able to put it under the frame. And by the way, when you put it under the frame, try to put it closer to the edge if you can, so that you make sure you get really good GPS signals. Now, if you don't have it close to the edge, it's still going to work because it works off of the bounce from the GPS system. But if you can get it closer to the edge, it's a little bit better. Keep in mind, it does work off of phone signals. So if you get out in the middle of the country somewhere, it may not work quite as well. So you need to look at your own individual needs and where you're located. But one other thing about that I need to point out, I mentioned you can put it in a glove box, or you can put it in a bag, or you can do things like that. Well, the reason I brought that up is I have the Ford F-150, one of the new ones. Well, it just so happens that my entire truck is not made of metal. It's made out of an aluminum. So this will not stick like it does to most vehicles and most toolboxes. So you will either have to have a toolbox on that truck that you can kind of place it, put it in the glove box or something of that nature. Also, be very leery of putting this in the engine compartment because it gets really hot in there. So you might want to avoid that as well. But overall, it's a fantastic unit. Now, you may be saying, well, that's great. It's battery powered. Well, it's not going to last. I'm going to constantly have to recharge it. Well, no, this actually lasts 2 to 3 weeks off of a single charge. But a lot of that is going to be determined on if you're using real-time tracking or if you set it kind of on the timed mode where it checks every so often. That'll extend that battery time. But if you don't like that, they actually offer a waterproof hardwire kit. So say you're going to put this on one of your company vehicles and you want to know where it's at all times. And speaking of that, by the way, you can even track the speed of that company vehicle. I like that, depending on the data plan that you've picked. But I can hardwire it in, and I no longer have to worry about keeping it charged. So if I'm not going to be moving it from asset to asset, and I want it on a permanent vehicle, I can do that. So this little unit can do pretty much anything that you want it to do. So if you're looking for something that's really great to track any asset, whether you're a DIYer or whether you're a contractor, I don't think you're going to go wrong here. If you're needing to track a teenager's car so you know where it's at all times and that that teenager is safe, you're not going to go wrong with this unit. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. We'll see you guys on the next review.